Environmental students that are at home. I just want to let you know what we're doing this week at school. So, we are going to design a water filter. Now, if you did the work from this week, you saw the pictures I took from the lab we did where we saw the effect of salt on clay water. And you should have come to the conclusion that if you add a little bit of salt to the clay water, the salt binds to the clay and then it makes it heavier and it sinks. And if you can get the clay out of the water and get it clear enough, then you are able to put the water in the sun for about 6 hours, which will kill the bacteria and the viruses. So that's the idea, is that we want to filter the water to make it clear enough that we could put it in the sun for 6 hours and kill the bacteria and viruses. Because 1 in 6 people do not have access to clean drinking water. And a lot of those people live by rivers that have clay and dirt and it's discolored. So we're going to try to focus on all of those things. So I know you can't actually test your water filter, but you can at least design it. And also, I can see how you design it, and maybe I can test it for you here or show you ones that other students have done. So we'll see where we go with that. All right. So you are going to have to work within a budget. So I think I gave you $10, and there is a piece of paper that you bring up to Notability, right? It's going to show you what you can buy and how much things cost. And then you're going to design your water filter. Now, what we have here, I don't know if you can see this, but we have a ring stand right here. So a ring stand, still probably can't see that. There you go. A ring stand. And then this is our cup. Now the cup has 5 holes in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the dirty water that looks like this. Okay, it's discolored. It has dirt in it. It has clay in it. And we're going to try to remove those large particles and the discoloration and the clay. All right. So you're going to pour it through here, and this is where your materials are going to go. So the different materials you have to choose from are cotton balls. So they say you buy cotton balls, right? You can put the cotton balls in the cup, right? And then you can pour the dirty water through it. Right. You also want it to go fast enough because we can't sit around for days waiting for water, right? So we have cotton balls. That's one thing you can buy. We have salt, right, to take out the clay. So you can buy salt. We have this activated charcoal. They use this in fish tanks, right? And so you should have read the article that shows what this does. So basically, the activated charcoal has lots of little holes in it, and it chemically binds with things in the water. One of the things is chlorine, so that's why they use this for fish tanks. Is because fish don't like chlorine. So to take the chlorine out of the water, we won't have chlorine in our water, river water, right? Because we actually add chlorine to the water to kill the bacteria and viruses. So this takes out chlorine, and it also takes out discoloration and odors. So that's why people use this. So that's the activated carbon. And what else do we have? We have cheesecloth, which the only thing I know is people use this for putting around a turkey. But see how it's very meshy? It's like a mesh. That's what it is. It's called cheesecloth. You can use that. We have coffee filters. So hopefully you know what a coffee filter is, right? You get a coffee filter. You can put it in there. You can put it on the outside. You can do it however you want. So that's a coffee filter. And then we have fine sand. So very fine sand is right here. And then we have gravel. Okay. So we have gravel like pea size, no, smaller than pea size gravel. So that's gravel and sand and clay and coffee filters and activated charcoal and salt. And what am I forgetting? This. I got this screen mesh. Can you see it's like a metal? So you got a mesh right there. And I think I have my bucket of stuff over here. I think that's about it. Okay, so you will choose the materials within your budget and make your filter. And then I'll look at it and now we'll see if I bet another student might have the same idea and I can film that and put it on for the following week so you can see the different types of filters that students have made. All right. Remember, if you have any questions, you can come to office hours. What are they? I should know. Well, right now, I think, or they're just ending. So they're from 1:30 until 2:30, Monday through Thursday. And then we also have them Friday from 1:30 till 3. So, or just email me too. All right. I hope you guys are doing well. Get outside. It's getting nice. Today is like 60 degrees. So get outside, get some fresh air, And I hope that you guys are doing well. All right. Bye. Oh my gosh, I can't turn this off. There we go.